What is bubonic plague? Chinese authorities are on high alert after suspecting a case of bubonic plague. The bubonic plague is a highly infectious and fatal disease that is spread mostly by rodents. Authorities declare a level 3 warning of plague prevention. They said the warning will stay in place until the end of the year. The new case was identified in the Chinese city of Bayanur. A hospital warned local authorities about the patient's case. According to the World Health Organization, around 1,000 to 2,000 people get the disease that caused the Black Death pandemic. The disease caused by bacteria is transmitted through flea bites and infected animals. During the Middle Age, the Black Death plague killed around 50 million people in Europe. The bubonic plague is one of plague's three types. These are the bubonic, septicemic, and the pneumonic plague. The bubonic plague causes painful swollen lymph nodes, in addition to fever, chills, and cough. There is currently no effective vaccine against the plague. But modern quick treatment with antibiotics can prevent complications and death. Authorities are now asking people to take extra precautions to reduce the risk of human-to-human transmission. They also ask to refrain hunting or eating animals that could cause infection, especially marmot. A marmot is a type of large ground squirrel that people in some parts of China and Mongolia eat. Marmots have historically caused plague outbreak in the region. Scientists believe that the marmot caused the 1911 pneumonic plague epidemic, which killed about 63,000 people in the northeast China. It was very popular and therefore they hunted for its fur. Infected fur products were transported around the country, infecting thousands of people along the way. Last May, a couple in Mongolia died from a bubonic plague after eating the raw kidney of a marmot, which is believed to be a remedy for good health according to folk tradition.